Shorty a little baddie. Shorty my little boo thing.
What's up YouTube, it's your girl Nanti back here again with another video, and for today I'm going to be doing a makeup video, just like a cute little makeup tutorial on, like, you know, dark skinned girls, just like a glam makeup tutorial. So hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification on, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to like, comment, subscribe, and turn that post notification on. And baby, it's only up from here, so let's get right into the video. Thank y'all so much. Okay, so I began by taking out my eyebrow pencil and started brushing on my eyebrows. I don't got any, but I'm brushing out something. And then I just start drawing in my eyebrows. And this process takes a long time because, like I said before, I don't got any eyebrows. Okay, and then I take out my HD LA Pro concealer, and then I take another dark shade of concealer, which is the Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer, and then I start concealing my eyebrows. Alright, so then I take the HD LA Pro concealer, which is the lighter shade, and I begin to use that under my eyebrows and conceal under my eyebrows. Alright, so and then I use the Rimmel London Stay Matte, which is the dark shade concealer, to conceal over my eyebrows. Look at that arch though, okay? Alright, so then I take that beauty blender and start blending in. Blend, blend, blend. Making sure it's perfect.
Absent-minded, my man ain't here right now. I'm thinking about the fallen soldiers, my dog's in the palm. We move like Michael Myers, we don't make no sounds. I hate thinking about my past, cause I was on the ground. I was broke, lying, scheming, ramen noodles, what I was eating. Stomach touching my back, but
Alright, so then you already know I take that homemade brown sugar lip scrub and start scrubbing away because you don't want your lips to be looking crusty, you feel me? Alright, so I take out that HD LA Pro concealer once again and start concealing my eyelids so I can start doing my eyeshadow.
all the niggas, I'm nothing like him. Never been to Tennessee, but I got the heart of a titan. We should bullets in the field, like we play for.
Once again, I take that beauty blender and blend.
So if I thought I rivals, I promise I won't tell. They give me, I practice silence. I stand on what I stand on the gang and nothing like it. I learned all of my feelings when my homies got indicted. Yeah.
Alright, so then I take out my eyeshadow palette and I use that light pink color in the left hand corner.
We should bullets in the field, like we play for the Vikings. Weezy game for ill, till the whip fall off from Raj.
It's easy get for ill. So if I thought I rivals, I promise I won't tell. They give me, I practice silence.
Alright, so then I take that smoky pink glittery color and apply it on my eyelids again, on the corner of my eyelids.
I stand on what I stand on the gang and nothing like it. I learned all of my feelings when my homies got indicted. Yeah, yeah.
My pockets like my chopper, bitch, they fully loaded. You gotta hit the road when you be bringing.
Then I take my NYX concealer and then I take a little small angle brush and I start concealing literally the lids of my eyelids, like just the lids.
Got blue cheese, bitch about the game when we be OT. Speak down on my name, but they don't know me. Say I'm a bitch, you don't have to show me. Want me to stop thugging, it don't work like that. Want me to stop cheating, better work that cat. I get money, I ain't worried about that. His and hers down from a bitch, no cap. Red 2 big C, but I do no cat. Color.
I got way out of hand and I messed up, so I had to get, like, you know, a little makeup wipe and fix that, and it got fixed in no time. Alright, so then I took my Ruby Gems 5 Shadow Glitter palette and I decided to use that color. Then I took a brush, and with this process, you literally just, you don't even rub it in, you just pat it because the concealer will make the glitter stick. Alright, so then I get my NYX concealer. And then I get my Rimmel London concealer and start concealing under my eyes, my nose, my chin, my forehead, and all that. Then I take my beauty blender and blend. Alright, so then I take my Black Radiance liquid foundation and start applying it on my face. Then I take my foundation brush and start brushing away and blending. Then I take the Black Radiance contour palette and I start contouring my hairline, the side of my nose, my cheekbones, and my jawline. Then with the same palette, I sculpt my forehead, my brow bone, the bridge of my nose, my cheeks, and my cupid's bow. So then I took that diamond shaped blender and started blending it all together. The blender didn't work as I intended it to, so I just took a brush and started blending it with the brush instead. Alright, so then I took that Fit Me powdered foundation and my brush and started putting powdered foundation on my face. Alright, so I took that Black Radiance contour palette once again and highlighted my cheekbones, my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Alright, so I don't have a highlighting angle brush, so I just took a sponge once again and started blending it in, but it didn't work. So I grabbed my brush and brushed it in together. So I have that Milani Make It Last setting spray, and I just spray it on my face so my makeup can just set. Alright, so and then I took my lashes. I don't have any new lashes. These are like old and used. And then I took my glue and put the glue on the lash, and then started putting on my eyelashes. Alright, so and then I took both my lip glosses. One is e.l.f. and one is Broadway. And then I started applying it on my lips. So I used the e.l.f. one on the bottom of my lip and the Broadway one on the top of my lip. I have the tendency of drenching my lips with lip gloss, but who gonna tell me stop? Thank y'all so much for watching my makeup tutorial. I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification on, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to like, comment, subscribe, and turn that post notification on. And baby, it's only up from here. We're elevating, so let's get right into it.
Make some room, ho, keep 100 feet away. 50 trucks when I pull up, we a fleet away.